Uba medba lingdo ulamprang kayeng dorbar thau ain ka jilla ulo ong ba omdan jing AEA ban jubab ya ka legal scrutiny lada ka party congress kan lej ban ujor shaka kod halor ka jingrai penrem ya ka petition bala ujor daganong yalam ka congress ka kong amparin lingdo uba medba ula pentiknaru baka TMC kan dei ka liang persha hapo ka yeng dorbar thau ain namar baka dei ka party ka babuntam ki number jong ki MLA na ka liang persha Bat menta ka sngi ula shim ya ka rai ban penrem ya ka petition ka bala ujor da ka party congress halor ka jing ino jong ki khat arngut ki MLA ya ka party congress bat penyeso sha ka party TMC Ulaya thu bah ka arf khundai tarik unai wieng arhajar arfwei ulayo ya ki shipho tili ki petition bala pha da ka Dr. Amparin Lingdo persha ya ki shipho ngut ki MLA ki bala mi na ka seng congress ban penyeso sha ka TMC ki bakan thup yu Dr. Mukul Sangma Marthon Sangma, Jimmy Sangma, Lazarus Sangma, Miami D. Shira, HM Shangpliang, George B. Lingdo, Winderson Sangma, Dikanchi Sangma, Badu Zanet M. Sangma. Ya kane ka petition la ujor ban Mike Kerteng yakini ki MLA katkum ka kharnit ka bashipho jong ka constitution jong ka ri India bat katkum ka jingkran shai hapo ka rule ka ba inyo para balai B jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly disqualification on ground detection rule kharkhandai spa aprapopra uba medba ula yathuru bahalor kane ka banta ula pha ka jingtep ru shaki shiphongut ki MLA bat la pha ru yaki ban IT ya ka jubab jongki halor ka petition bala ujor Sasisen pat haka shipho tarik unopra arhajar arfwei sa artli ki petition la ujor biang da ka kong amparin lingdo persha ki arngut ki MLA ki bakan thup yu ba Charles Pongrup badu ba shitlang pale halor ka ju ka ain Ulo ongru hadin bala page benia halor ka ka petition bar ka jubab jongki ya ki notice bala pha na kaliang ka jong u ulas ngau hun ya ka jing jubab ka jongki bar ka nongrim namar ka jingmi ka jongki ka longkat kum ka para ka basaw jong ka kharnet ka bashipho jong ka constitution ka ri India uba medba ulo ong ba hadin ka jing bishar bnia bha la shim ya karai ba on am Mike Kerteng yaki khat arngut ki MLA namar shim lai I ba ka don kanu ka nongrim ka baskhem halor ka petition bala ujor da ka kong amparin lingdo ban Mike Kerteng yaki khat arngut ki MLA kumta ya ka petition la wengno menta ka sngi ka arphulai tarik uno pra arhajar arphwei
Well, I think as far as my role is concerned is within the assembly schedule. And that also I am doing it as per the 10th schedule, which talks about disqualification of members, defection, joining from one party to another party. So I'll exercise my power within the frame of the Constitution. I don't have any problem with all those things. My ruling is as such that the defection of these 12 members is very much valid, and they have complied with the paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. Yeah, as far as numbers are concerned from the opposition side, TMC has got more numbers than other Congress or any other parties who are. This need a lot of debates. The 10th schedule has been framed in such a way that it paves the way for those members who are not happy within their political parties where they have been elected as member to quit that party and join other political parties. So I feel that that is what it is there in the 10th schedule. So, but what you asked me, I think need a lot of debates. Paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. The merger of the 12 MLAs from the Indian National Congress to the All India Trinamool Congress is valid, and I've done it after proper examination with all the petitions filed by one of the member of the Assembly, Dr. Amparin Lingdo, and to all those 12 MLAs. And at the same time, I have sent a notice to all of them, asking all those 12 MLAs to response to the petition filed by the petitioner, and after examining the same in details again, I found that the merger of those 12 MLAs from Congress to Trinamool Congress is direct.